How to say I am brushing my teeth in Kurdish. At first we need to start with the words, and the first one is how to say I. Here it will be S. And then we need our object, because Kurdish sentences are subject, object and verb sentences. Our subject here is S. This is our subject. And we need our object, which is my teeth. Our object is my teeth. And here it will be diranên. But if the subject is owner for the object, we don't say diranên in Kurdish. We should say diranên, because here we have a topic like saying I and my in the same sentence. So the subject is owner for the object. In this case we don't use our possessive, but we use instead of it. So you say diranên. And at the end we need our verb, which is brushing. And for this we say firçe. It is our verb. For the first person in present tense, the conjugation is as firçe dikim, and is the for the present tense conjugation. And for all we say as. Then you say this part diranên. Then the last one is firçe dikim. I'm brushing my teeth as diranên firçe dikim.